If you manually test trading strategies in MetaTrader 5, but still use spreadsheets, separate notes, or do everything by eye, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the Manual Backtest Helper for MetaTrader 5. It is a simple tool to record, simulate, and analyze trades directly on the chart. The Manual Backtest Helper is an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, designed to make manual backtesting easier. With it, you can draw trades on the chart and automatically see important metrics such as net profit or loss, win rate, profit factor, drawdown, expectancy per trade, final balance, commissions, pips, and overall strategy statistics. The idea is simple. You test your strategy by looking at the chart. You mark the trades, and the expert advisor calculates the results for you. No spreadsheets, no data exports, no complications. This tool is ideal for traders who want to validate a strategy before trading it live. It is also useful for anyone developing a setup, reviewing past entries, or trying to answer one very important question. Does my strategy actually have an edge in the market? If you do manual backtesting, study price action, review setups, or want to build a more organized trading history, Manual Backtest Helper can help a lot. There are two main ways to use it. The first one is normal mode. In normal mode, you simply draw a trade on the chart using a line. You choose whether you want to mark a winning or losing trade or a buy or sell trade. Then you connect 2 points on the chart, the entry point and the exit point. The expert advisor automatically calculates the result of that trade based on the price movement. This mode is great when you already know where you would have entered and where you would have exited. For example, you look at the chart and identify a buy entry. Then, you mark the start of the trade and the exit point. If it was a win, you record it as a win. If it was a loss, you record it as a loss. And the statistics update instantly. This is the most direct mode for quickly reviewing setups. The second way to use it is sim mode. Sim mode works more like a trade simulation. Instead of only drawing the final result, you mark a trade with an entry, a take profit, and a stop loss. After that, Manual Backtest Helper checks the following candles and automatically identifies whether price hit the target or the stop first. In other words, it resolves the trade for you. If take profit is hit first, the trade becomes a win. If stop loss is hit first, it becomes a loss. And if price touches both the target and the stop on the same candle, the trade is marked as ambiguous. In that case, you can manually decide whether that trade should be considered a win or a loss. This mode is very useful when you want to test a strategy with more objective rules, always using the same target and stop. In practice, the workflow is simple. First, open MetaTrader 5 and load the expert advisor onto the chart. Then, you will see the Inputs window. If this is your first time using this expert advisor, I recommend leaving everything at its default value. Later, once you understand how it works, you can customize the settings. After that, you will see the main panel on the chart. Here, you can change some parameters on the fly, such as the starting balance, spread, risk type, and amount, and the default stop-loss size. Next, choose how you want to test. Use normal mode if you want to manually mark the entry and exit. Use sim mode if you want to define the entry, target, and stop. And let the expert advisor find the result automatically. As you add trades, the panel shows the main numbers in real time. You can track net profit, win rate, profit factor, balance, and other strategy statistics. And if you want to analyze a specific trade, just click it on the chart to see the details. You can see information like lot size, pips, entry price, exit price, commission, and net result. Remember that you can always check the guide for more details. So, to summarize, Manual Backtest Helper helps turn manual backtesting into a more organized, visual, and measurable process. You still analyze the chart in the traditional way, but now with automatic result calculation. This makes it easier to compare strategies, review setups, and understand whether an idea really has potential before risking real money. To download it, open the MQL5 market inside MetaTrader 5. In MetaTrader, go to Tools, then MQL5 market. Then search for Vega XLR Manual Backtest Helper. Download the Expert Advisor, open the navigator with Control-N, and drag Manual Backtest Helper onto the chart. If you do manual backtesting in MetaTrader 5 and want a simpler way to record and analyze your tests, Manual Backtest Helper is worth checking out. The download link is also in the description. Thanks for watching and happy backtesting!